subscribe.
Subscribe.
And like. And wait. And comment. And see you later.
Bye.
Yeah.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it justice. Put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it justice. Put it in the song. Alright.
Guys, I have not been vlogging. My mood has just been down. You know? So today's the day that I get cute and pick myself up again. These braids have been in a week. And look how they look. I never wrapped them up. I never put a bonnet on. I never did anything because I knew I was going to take them right back out. It didn't matter. I just needed to get myself through the week.
In 2 miles, take exit 17.
Hey guys, the food was good. I'm full. So this is my to-go order. home. It's been a long day. I ain't even did nothing though. Oh. You can wipe that stuff out of your eyes. You wanna do some TikToks?
No.
Oh. Anywho.
Why you ask me that after I wipe off my makeup?
Cause it looked like you was crying anyway. You looked sad.
I'm always sad.
Anywho. Well, I'm finally home. I'm about to do nothing. I'm sleepy. I don't want something sweet. And I kinda
And we
wanna
finna go to
Brahms.
McDonald's.
No, you're not getting that. But you gotta be out, drop off down there. But that's just too fat to be eating that late at night like that.
Okay, just do some jumping jacks after or something. Just a chug. You better chug some water. Ooh, kind of ashy. Stop.
Dang. Maybe I can watch a movie or something. I couldn't watch that house party movie. So stupid. I knew it was gonna be stupid before I even clicked on
Well,
it.
you better
That's
watch
for like
Megan.
that's for like high people.
One of
You know what
those.
I'm saying? Yeah.
The one that what's that boy name? Yeah, one of those.
Like Funny Michaels and the other one was like that.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah, that's not for me.
But I watched Megan. It's not scary at all.
No, I fucking watch that. What is that?
That's it.
Alright, y'all. If I get some ice cream, I'll show y'all.
We big.
Y'all, watch the next night. And I didn't get back on here last night about the whole Brahms situation. Why we went to Brahms, right? And we ordered 2 brownie fudge sundaes at the window. I mean, at the speaker. After ordering, we sat there because there was cars in front of us. We sat there for like 14.5 minutes. Get up to the window. Gave the girl the money. She's standing there with the money. Dude come up to her. She like, we ain't got no brownies. What? After I just said, you didn't know that 20 minutes ago? You just found out that the car in front of me got the last one? What happened? And so Jay was like, you want chocolate cake? No, I want a brownie for a sundae. Give my money. Give my money. So anyway, we went up to went across to McDonald's and got she got a McFlurry. I got some cookies or whatever. Yeah. So that was last night. Today, woke up, streamed church, because I didn't plan on going to that side of town, right? But then the weather said it's supposed to be like icy and all that, you know. Texas, we ain't set up for that kind. We ain't set up for that kind of stuff. So the stores was packed, like, and who wants to be out of there? Because you may feel like you can drive, and guess what? These folk can't drive. So if you get on the roads, they gonna hit you. You gonna think, hey, I can drive. No, they can't drive. They can't drive. But yeah, so I don't want to be out of there. So I went to the store and got groceries. We had stuff, but we got stuff, so we know we good. But anyway, my baby's still at his dad's house, and I told him that I'll be there at 10 a.m. They said the foolery of the weather is supposed to start at noon, so I'm gonna make sure I go get him a little earlier than noon. And I still have my seafood from yesterday, and I ate my seafood. I watched the movie Megan. It's alright. It gives you Lifetime movie. That's what it's giving. Lifetime. So anyway, yeah, so I just been drinking. I got me some more wine. Been drinking my little wine, watching TV, and like really just sitting in peace. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, I guess that's gonna be the rest of my night, because what time is it? 6:40. 6:40. I usually go to sleep a little early, but 6:40 right now. So all I'm doing is posting, answering comment. I mean, not answering, replying to comments, stuff like that. That's what I'm doing right now. I need to work on my post engagement. Okay, so yeah. Anywho, yeah, I'll see y'all. I don't know when. Okay. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? No. But oh my gosh. Yeah, hold it like that. And look in her. Say hello.
Hello.
Aww. You're so sweet. Hi, I'm right here. Hi, I'm right here.
Hi.
Say see you later.
Bye.
Say hello.
Hello.
There you go.
Hello.
Kids be really bad, y'all. And then what he doing with this? What he doing with the pot? He think it's his because it's so small. You cooking? You supposed to be cleaning up these toys. You said you wanted to take a bath?
A cupcake.
You cooking? Okay. What are you cooking? What color is that? What color are you cooking?
A black.
What color is that?
Yellow.
What color is this? What color is this? What color is this?
Blue.
Yeah. What color is this?
Green.
What color is this?
Orange.
Good job, baby. All right, now clean that stuff up. Seriously. Seriously.
What's up, bruh? Come here, hold on. Let me fix your pants. As y'all can see, it's very cold. Too cold. Oh crap, I almost slipped. Ran so fast, calm down. Damn, boy, you gonna get popped. Why they be stopped? Hold up. It is tough. And you can, I don't know how to zoom in, but you can zoom in and stuff, you know. I like a real YouTuber, you heard? Mom, you gotta put this in your vlog, you feel me? Yeah. On game. Then you end it off with the we out YouTube. With my Instagram, my YouTube, all that, you know. Trying to be on my YouTube, bro. You on my YouTube channel. Bryson, you gonna leave my YouTube, bro? Forget you then, punk. Oh, crap. Come here, Bryson. Crazy people, man. Crazy people. Something getting crib. It's getting too cold. It's getting too cold out here. And y'all see Bryson over there. He's just chilling. He like the cold. That's that. I ain't gonna say, cause that's kind of, you know. But yeah. You see me, I gotta get in the crib. I'm too skinny for this. I ain't got no meat on my body. You know. I got it.
Chopper biting down like an apple. Match with the acres with the horses in the capital like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
I would like to get to know if you could be what kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be
Yeah.
See yourself right here. Yeah. Where you going? Where you going? You gotta pay. Say, look like this. Okay, scoot back. Everything is melting, but it's still raining, but it's above freezing, so you know. So they got kids walking around playing outside. So this is all ice, baby. What's up, you guys, and welcome to another vlog. So this is what I'm wearing. I got a cake order. Got a cake order, and I'm about to go take it over there and hang out with them too.
I was watching you dance, as your walk is still stance, you make all this look easy.
Subscribe
Drive.
and like
What?
and wait and comment
Comment.
and see you later.
Bye.
Yeah.